In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page private in Godaddy. This is a handy feature if you want to restrict access to certain pages on your website, whether for exclusive content, member-only sections, or simply to keep some information confidential. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring clarity and understanding along the way. First, we'll need to start by navigating to the Godaddy website. Open your web browser and type in the Godaddy URL. Once you're there, look for the section that deals with domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. It's your gateway to managing everything you have within Godaddy, including the feature we are after today. Once you've reached the Godaddy homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Simply enter your login details, which typically would be your username and password, then click to sign in. This will bring you to your account's dashboard, where you can see all your products and services. Now find the section that lists your websites, click on the particular website where you'd like to make a page private. This action will lead you to a page where you can see various management options for your site. Once you are on the specific website's management page, look for an option that allows you to edit the website. Clicking on the Edit Website button will redirect you to the website's editor view. In the website editor, you are going to look for the plus sign, often indicated by a plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon is how you can add new features or sections to your website. It's a simple, intuitive step to expand your website's capabilities. However, here's where you might encounter a limitation if you're using the basic version of Godaddy's website builder. In order to access the private page option, you may need to upgrade your plan. The private page feature is often restricted to premium plans, which provide additional functionality and customization options. If your current plan doesn't support this feature, follow Godaddy's prompts to see what upgrade options are available and make a decision that best fits your needs. And there you have it. After these steps, you'll have successfully navigated through Godaddy's interface to make a page private, or at least understand the upgrade path needed to do so. Remember, making a page private is a great way to enhance your website's security and control who accesses certain information. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content. Until next time.